na guso shawa Adom TV na me nto so ne mongra yensan foforo mu na owura bia na wo bono ho se wo ye wo sofo na enam ne sunti ye susu se wo bono ho se wo ye doctor na enam ne sunti nipa bi afaso ahwe ne nkwanom ne ade a etebire ne kodura court no wono so koye ka se no kura bia ni sansem ne mu nanso eye court of appeal etna so no sa ne suit na ono de koye na bu abon no ankasa emu nkyere mu Adom TV Kasee edeba
no suspecting no and omoye investigations omuhu ye no na onye medical doctor and publish issue no to members of the club and omo can say onye doctor into a quack doctor or a fake doctor impersonator among others oti we ya say o defame no the court or ask a court for damages of 5 million cedis. And a high court dismissed court making findings. Say in fact, when you're a medical doctor and representing who as a medical doctor to members of the club, including Premtobre until a quack doctor. And a court as I award the cost of 100,000 against him for each of the respondents. There were 6 until 600,000. Until I said not back court of appeal. The court no rehwe mu no almost say no kre or misrepresented no as a medical doctor into a quack doctor. The omoye ni say almost say court na court no awarding wo lower court high court no na edoso to mate so about 20,000. 20,000 for each of the respondents. Omoye nsia until about 120,000 cedis. And a court no say award the cost for events at the court of appeal no 20,000 until no total cost of 140,000 against Sabrantian.
Emranimni Kennedy Quatin assign editor just say Abrante ni nyuma yemu no edichimatobi abre members no
say almost omo treaty ebi no ebi afenti omo chere say ba akukura wuye ema ayi Mr. Asumadu so onya complications ewo prescriptions be a the man no nti omanya side effects on that ss brand no manfo hu say onye doctor because MC maybe 2014 police chain sa matter asem no kra that was circuit court chain on impersonation and forgery of stamps among others nti ss manfo hu no more stay away from him and I met two fools who say any power area who doctor your doctors hospital medical practitioners both private and government hospitals doctors no be sure kama dan say we be a member who so a doctor no case a doctor now resort to him for assistance no